And here we are at the Sandos Finisterra. So we've got a separate bedroom area here. Walk in and got the bathroom area. Very spacious private bathroom with a tub. And then here we have the bedroom, king size bed, and wicked awesome air conditioning. And we even have a fireplace. I'll show you the balcony in a second, but as you can see, it's quite large and spacious. And then we have the second living area, which is accessible both from the hallway and from here. And this would be with a pull-out sofa bed. So if you're staying with kids, it's a really nice option to give the parents a bit of privacy. Over here, we've got the kitchen area, lots of water, little kitchenette, and the fridge is stocked. That's a pop. And the balcony is accessible from both rooms. And we're on the 7th floor here. And check out this amazing view of the pools below. Absolutely spectacular. Second from the top floor. And just an amazing view.